Today we are going to learn about the congruence of triangles. This chapter is very important in geometry. Okay. Topics to be covered in this lesson are introduction, congruence of plane figures, congruence among line segments, congruence of angles, congruence of triangles, criteria for congruence of triangles. Here, what is the meaning of congruence? Okay. For example, in our day-to-day life, we can see many objects, many figures which are similar. Okay. For example, stamps, postal stamps, same denomination. Here, biscuits in the same packet. Next, two photos made up from the same negatives. These are the examples of congruent figures. What is a congruent figures? It has same size and shape. Okay, these type of figures are called, these type of objects are called congruents. The relation of two objects being congruent is called a congruence. Okay, here next first one, congruence of plane figures. Congruence of plane figures means what? Here F1 is the first figure, second figure F2. Okay, how can you check these two figures are congruent? So one method is there, that method is called superposition method. The method means, superposition method means, here trace a copy of this one of the figures F1 or F2, okay, place it over the other, then it cover completely and exactly, that means cover each other completely. Okay, these two figures are called congruent, that means same size and shape. Okay. This type of figures are called congruent. Then how can you write the symbolic form of the congruent? F1 congruent to F2. Okay. Clear? Then another example, are your hands congruent? Hands congruent. Here hands is there. Here one hands, keep it on other hands. Okay. These two hands you can rotate it. No change in the shape and size. Your hands also congruent. Okay. And next one, congruence among line segments. AB 4 cm, CD 4 cm. The same method you can use it, superposition method. Trace a copy of what? CD, line segment CD, place it out on the line segment AB. Exactly it covered exactly completely. That means what? AB equal to CD. That AB equal to CD equal to what? 4 cm. That means these two are congruent. Okay, how can you write it congruent? Line segment AB congruent to line segment CD. Okay. Next example, 6 cm and 3 cm. Same method, superposition method. What is the superposition method? You trace a copy of RS. Okay, and keep it on PQ. R not fall on P, S not fall on Q. Here C fall on A, D fall on B. Same length and same, but you will get it same thing. R not on P and S not on Q. That means what? It's not a congruent. Okay. Next, congruence of angles. The same thing, superposition method. Here trace a copy of one of the figure and keep it on over the other, exactly cover it. That means what? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. But in this figure, this length of QP is greater than AB. Don't consider this length of this QP. They indicates that what? Direction. Ray QP and ray QR indicates the direction, not the length. Okay, don't consider it as a length. Okay, here only you consider what? Its measures. Here both the angles have same measure, that means angle ABC and angle PQR are congruent angles. Here angle 40 degree, angle LMN 40 degree. Angle LMN and angle PQ are congruent? No, because these two have different measurement, 30 degree and 40 degree. Okay. Then how can you write the symbolic form? Angle ABC congruent to angle PQR. Because what is the reason? These two angles are measurement are equal. That means if two angles are congruent, they have same measurement. Okay, the two angles have same measurement, these two angles are congruent. Okay, next we have to discuss about the congruence of triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. The same thing, superposition method. What is the super one of the figure? You trace a copy and keep it on the other. The P falls on A, Q falls on B, R falls on C. That means angle A equal to angle P, okay, angle B equal to angle Q and angle C equal to angle R. Okay. Next here, this length side PQ, this length PQ falls along AB. Okay, that means AB equal to PQ. Next here, QR falls along BC. QR falls along BC. Next here, PR falls along AC. AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR. Okay, this 6 elements vote for the congruence of triangles. These are the 6 elements of congruence of triangles, because 3 angles are equal, 3 sides are equal. I mean, here these 2 triangles are congruent, the 6 elements are there. What are the 6 elements? Here angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Corresponding angles are also equal. What is the corresponding angle A, angle P in this triangle? What is the corresponding angle of angle B, angle Q? What is the corresponding angle of angle C, angle R? Corresponding side of AB, PQ. Corresponding side of BC, QR. Corresponding side of AC, PR. These are the 6 elements of the congruent of triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. That means this ABC correspond to PQR. Triangle ABC correspond to triangle PQR. Here corresponding angle, here very important, the letters angle A correspond to P. That means angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. You can name this triangle, triangle ABC correspond to a congruent to, how can you write the congruent? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. But in the same question, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QPR. How can you check it? QPR. Here angle A correspond to angle Q, angle A equal to angle Q? No. Angle A equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle P? No. Angle B equal to angle Q. But this notation is, this symbolic form is not correct. Okay, you should write it triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. This symbolic form is correct. Okay, should write it in the same order. Okay, triangle ABC, A, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Then you can write it. Side also the same thing. AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, AC equal to PR. The same thing you can write it. Okay, but you should write it the name of the triangle in particular order. Okay, triangle ABC, the same corresponding sides also should write it here also. Okay, triangle PQR. Okay, clear? For triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR, the 6 elements are there, 3 angles are equal, 3 sides are also equal. Okay.